Hello friends, so we have the whiteboard implemented in our test series as well as all our exercises throughout the platform, exactly the GMAT way. So clicking on whiteboard should not take a user to a full screen whiteboard. A whiteboard is supposed to be right on the same screen so that a student can look at the question and do the calculations. We have this functionality developed here so you can move the board as per your comfort. We would recommend not putting it on the right side because then you will find it difficult to confirm the answer choices. You can of course extend it and make it wider and all to your liking. We would suggest that adjust it only to an extent such that this clear button is always duly visible even on the actual GMAT, because this is an important button. It's going to be used time and again. There are just two small steps I suggest that you take for making your experience more GMAT-like. Number one, please have your taskbar hidden. Otherwise, every time you click on the whiteboard, this taskbar would be visible. It's very easy. You can just right click, come to taskbar settings and have these functionalities turned on. Or there is a separate software called Taskbar Eliminator, using which you can completely eliminate the taskbar. You just need to press Alt plus T every time to hide or unhide the taskbar. So that's one step I would recommend. The second step is when you start or resume an exercise, the first time you click on whiteboard, the full screen nature of the test is going to be lost. So see, I pressed whiteboard and the whiteboard has come, but the full screen is lost. So just a small step here. I need to click anywhere on the main exam screen, click anywhere here and press F11, and the exam would be back to the normal full screen way. And now after this, every time I press whiteboard, there would not be any problem. I can just keep on solving the questions. You see, there's no problem now. I can keep on solving the problems and the problem of full screen getting lost would not be there. I can do my calculations and I can keep on solving the exercise. Once again, two steps. Number one, please hide your taskbar, and two, first time you click on whiteboard, you need to come back to the test screen and press F11. And if at any stage you think that the whiteboard is hidden, you can always just click on whiteboard or use Alt plus Tab or flipping between the screens. So we hope this is helpful. In case you want to practice, there is a separate page on our website. This one here, you can just practice freely here. You can play around with all the options that you have in the left pane. We will leave the link to this simulator in the description of this video. All the best.